Hey, it's Katherine Gibson, your independent Scentsy consultant, and I have a few minutes before I have to run out, so I thought I would share my January whiff box. I know it's a little late, today's February 1st, but it came kind of around month end and we were wrapping up earning incentives and all kinds of things, so just getting to it now. First thing right out of the box is my cotton cleanups. Now, these have been out of stock for months, but when stock comes in, they've been prioritizing sending cotton cleanups to club subscribers. So I still get mine. I keep mine in a big glass jar on my desk so it looks really pretty and decorative. And then every time I change my wax, which is usually twice a week, I walk around the house with an armload of cotton cleanups and bars, and it just makes it so easy. So these are a must in your club subscription. Scentsy Club is our free subscription program. It costs you nothing to sign up. There's no membership fee, no setup fee, no minimums. You could order one bar if you wanted to. But when your order does reach 30 US or 40 Canadian, you do get a 10% discount on everything in your club, which is amazing, including licensed bars, which is fantastic, including bricks, which are only available through club. But my favorite feature, and I think most people's favorite feature, is what's called Always Get My Bar. So one of the hazards of being a fragrance company or a lover of fragrance is that there's always something new coming out, so there's always something that has to be leaving. There's always something being discontinued. And I'm sure that you have a favorite from somewhere that's been discontinued at some point, and it's devastating. So Scentsy Club removes that devastation. The Always Get My Bar feature allows you to get your favorite fragrances in bars forever, as long as you add them while they're available, as long as you keep them in your club. Scentsy will keep making and sending you your favorite fragrances. So all the scents in my club are discontinued. None of them are currently available. I'm just gonna show you what I have because these are some of my must-haves. Stitch and Angel, so good. They're tropical, they're sweet, they're just perfect. They're great alone. They also mix really well. So sometimes I will go through and put like 2 and 2 cubes of each, and it's just beautiful. They blend really nicely. I have Shimmer, which I've had in my club actually for a long time. It was just back in January. It's fantastic. It's like super girly girl. I love it. This is another older BBMB scent, Plum and White Woods. There's something about it. I love the light woods. I'm not so much into the heavy woods or the Christmas tree kind of woods, but the light ones. I really enjoy those fragrances. Our original Love and Kisses Minnie Mouse. Oh, I just love it. I love it so much. I'll never ever delete it from my club. Vanilla Oud is another woodsy kind of scent, but softer. Lots of really nice, almost romantic one. I'm gonna keep the ones that I just added to the side here. Pineapple Coconut Vanilla. This one, there's a long story behind this scent. It was originally released as a brick in, I wanna say 2015. And then it came out in our body line. It was known as number 9. And then we kind of rebranded our body. This is actually still available in body products. So if you want like body cream or soak or body wash, you can get it in Pineapple Coconut Vanilla, but in wax, only in my club. Vanilla Suede. This has been likened to like a cowboy kind of scent. I don't know what cowboys smell like. I'm from Canada. There's not a lot of cowboys, at least in Ontario. But it is kind of like a manly vanilla. I don't know. It's a good one. What else have we got here? Another light woodsy scent, Pacific Sandalwood. It's really soft and subtle. When you want a nice fragrance in your home that doesn't smell like a fruit or a cookie or like a very specific thing, I think that's what draws me to those fragrances. What else have we got here? More woods, Quiet Grove. This is from a few winters ago. Oh, it's beautiful. Southern Evening, you heard me rave about this last month. Oh, it's like floral, it's woodsy, it's perfect. So those will have been in my club for a long time and will stay in my club forever. This was the original, I guess the only Mulan scent we've had. No, we had a princess one. Sorry, my bad. So this one was released when we had Mushu the dragon, the buddy, and it is called Not Your Everyday Dragon. And this, like when I smell it, my mouth waters. It smells like fruit gummies or juice. It's so, so good. Speaking of fruity, gummy, candy smelling, this Aladdin 3 Wishes has almost like a blueberry candy scent. I just love it so much. This one came out last year in 2021 with the Genie Buddy. This is not part of the original Aladdin wax collection that had 5 bars. This is a newer release, and I'm really glad that I added it to my club. It's so good. I also added, in December, before it disappeared, Olaf Warm Hugs. This is not new, but it comes out, they've brought it back for us basically every winter time. It is maybe similar to Vanilla Mint, but I find it more minty, less vanilla, like a little fresher. I love it. And then 2 brand new additions to my club because I hadn't actually smelled them in orders. I got the Justice League, which is a new partnership for us in the last few months, DC Comics. This one, I like it. It is like a clean, manly, soapy cologne kind of scent without being overpowering. Like I would definitely warm that in my boys' rooms. And then the last one I have is Looney Tunes, which is also a newer partnership for us this last catalog season. And this is another like fruity, yummy, I want to say, I don't have the description in front of me. I feel like there's some orange in it. No kidding. I'll have to look up the description, but I was pleasantly surprised with this one too. Now, the other amazing perk that you get with Scentsy Club is when your order reaches 60 US or 79 Canadian, you get to choose any item in club for half price. Now, usually I get a whiff box, but in January I got one earlier on in the month. So I swapped that out for a bottle of all-purpose cleaner concentrate, in Sun-Kissed Citrus, just in time for spring cleaning. I always keep a spray bottle of this diluted, handy to wipe down bathrooms, wipe down walls, and I also use this in my mop bucket when I wash my floors. I just give it a good little glug with some hot water, and it really freshens kind of the whole space. The scent lingers a little bit, and there's just something about the citrus that makes me smile. So that is my January club. Stay tuned. In February, I have 2 club boxes coming. So I don't know if I'll make one really big video or 2 separate videos. I've also got some new season items to show, so I'll be doing more video this week. Thanks for watching. And really quick, I wanted to mention our brand new, rolled out today, February 1st, club referrals and rewards program. So if you are a Scentsy Club subscriber, you now have a referral link that you can share with your friends. And when they sign up for club, you get rewards. So it's really exciting, definitely worth checking out. I will put the link to Scentsy Club right here. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.